Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're constantly on the move but refuse to compromise on typing comfort, you're in the right place. We're breaking down the top 5 best portable, foldable Bluetooth keyboards. We've picked these based on their design, crucial features, portability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. First up, it's the ProtoArc XK01 Keyboard. This keyboard feels just right. It's a no-frills, clean design that prioritizes function. When folded, it's super compact, but it opens into a true full-size layout with 105 keys, including a dedicated numeric pad and function row. That means you're getting a desktop-grade typing experience, which is rare in this category. It connects seamlessly to up to 3 devices using Bluetooth 5.1, letting you switch between your laptop, tablet, and phone with a single button. We're impressed with its quiet scissor switch keys, which are perfect for shared spaces. It's USB-C rechargeable, and ProtoArc claims up to 150 days of standby time thanks to its auto-sleep function. Customers love its strong Bluetooth connection and excellent battery life, appreciating the full-size keys. However, some have experienced keys stopping working over time, though ProtoArc's support is reportedly solid. Keep in mind, it doesn't have a backlight or a locking mechanism when unfolded, so it needs a flat surface. For a complete layout without breaking the bank, this is a smart pick.
Next, we're looking at the ProtoArc XK01-TP Keyboard. This one takes portability a step further by integrating a multi-touch trackpad, essentially giving you a full mobile workstation without needing a separate mouse. It's a tri-fold design that packs 88 full-size keys with 16.5mm keycaps and a full row of shortcut keys, offering a laptop-like typing feel. It connects to 3 devices via Bluetooth 5.1, making multitasking super easy. Its USB-C rechargeable, robust 300 mAh battery that offers up to 5 months of standby time, and it automatically sleeps when not in use. Customers often call this one of the best on the market for its compact, foldable design and excellent Bluetooth connectivity. While the build feels solid to many, some find it a bit plasticky, and opinions on trackpad responsiveness are a bit mixed. It's a premium option that's worth it if you need that integrated pointing device, and it even comes with a phone stand and carrying pouch.
Moving on, we've got the iClever IC-BK08 Keyboard. This is a truly pocket-sized command center designed for extreme portability. It's noticeably smaller than many competitors, folding down into an ultra-compact form factor that easily slips into a bag. What's impressive here is the built-in precision touchpad with physical buttons, allowing for mouse-free navigation. It's built with aircraft-grade aluminum and reinforced hinges, making it surprisingly durable for its lightweight 7.05-ounce design. You can pair it with up to 3 devices via Bluetooth 5.0, switching between them with a single tap. It recharges via USB-C, and you're getting up to 60 days of use on just a 2-hour charge. Users praise its portability and the convenience of the integrated touchpad. However, some find the 13mm keycaps a bit smaller than a full-size laptop keyboard, and there are mixed reports on touchpad reliability and Bluetooth stability. Also, the folding joints don't lock, so a flat surface is essential. This is a go-to for maximum portability.
Next up is the Targus Ergonomic Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. This one stands out with its split ergonomic design, aiming to keep your hands in a more natural typing position for better comfort during long sessions. It's incredibly compact, folding down to about the size of a smartphone, making it a true pocket-friendly companion. It connects to up to 3 devices using Bluetooth 5.1, providing a reliable and energy-efficient wireless connection. It's also equipped with Defense Guard protection, an additive in the material for a cleaner surface. Powering it is a rechargeable 100 mAh battery with a helpful indicator, and it features an auto on-off magnetic closure to save power. Customers love its robust reliability, long battery life, and quick pairing. The ergonomic layout might take some getting used to if you're not accustomed to it. Critically, it doesn't lock open, so you'll need a stable, flat surface for comfortable use. It's a solid choice for ergonomic benefits on the move.
Finally, we have the Samsers KF01 Keyboard. This is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on convenience. It features a standard-sized layout with quiet, responsive key presses, aiming for a typing experience similar to your desktop keyboard.
It's incredibly lightweight at just 5.53 ounces and folds down to fit right into your pocket or backpack. The keyboard sports an elegant PU leather cover and includes a phone holder, which is a nice touch for setting up a mobile workstation anywhere. It boasts a long-lasting built-in lithium battery, offering 40 hours of continuous use or 180 days of standby time on a single charge. It's compatible across iOS, Android, and Windows devices, and automatically connects when opened. Users praise its extreme portability and easy Bluetooth connection. However, there are consistent reports of keys stopping working after a few months, and the key layout with hinge bumps and a split spacebar can take some adjusting. It's a good entry-level choice if you prioritize portability and a low price point. And that wraps up our look at the top 5 best portable foldable Bluetooth keyboards. Each of these offers a unique blend of portability, features, and typing comfort to help you stay productive no matter where you are. We hope this breakdown helps you find the perfect keyboard for your mobile setup. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.